Hey everyone, this is Renee with ReneeandKevinRealtors.com. It's the fall and I thought it's a great time of year for a few friendly reminders. The first is go ahead and cycle the heat in your home and make sure everything's working properly. If you have any issues, you can contact your warranty company or your service provider. Make sure everything's tip-top by the time we need it here in Arizona for those 1 or 2 days that it does require some heat. And you won't all be calling the service providers at the same time on that very first cold day when you find out your equipment isn't working. And then just while we're here talking, go ahead and check your filters. You should be doing that every 30 days or so here in Arizona to keep your HVAC in tip-top shape. And finally, while you're at it, check those smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors to make sure everything is okay. And by the way, if you didn't know this, smoke detectors, when you buy them in the store and they're brand new, they're white. And over time, they fade to a yellowish color. And that is purposeful. If it turns yellow, that means it's getting old and it should be replaced. So I hope this helps. Have a great day. I'm Renee with ReneeandKevinRealtors.com, serving your real estate here in Arizona. Thank you.